Welcome back to Learning Badminton with Abhijit Napoli, internationally renowned player and Badminton World Federation certified level 1 coach. Previously we looked at the forehand net shot. If you've missed to watch it, be sure to watch it after this session.
Welcome back to another episode of Learning Badminton with me. I'm Abhijit Napoli here, and this is Ramya. So today we are going to teach you how to play the block shots. Typically, the block shots are shots which are played from the mid-court area of the player to the front court area of the opponent. So these are played when the opponent is smashing. So when that smash is played by the opponent, you have to block the shuttle so that you can cut the speed of the shuttle and force your opponent to go on a defensive stroke. So when the smash is played by the opponent, you need to block the shuttle. This will make the shuttle go a little bit flat and make it fall on the opponent's forecourt area. And then it will be a weak return from the opponent. In case if it goes slightly higher, then opponent is going to take advantage. Here also, one needs to keep in mind whether the block shots are coming on the body or a little away from the body. Depending on that, you will be moving your right leg. So if the smashes are coming on the body, then you will be playing it still with a thumb grip. But when it's coming little away from the body, then you need to move your right foot front and then play the block shots. Now you can just watch how the block shots are going to be played. Just show them. Okay, as you can see, the shots are coming on her body. So a backhand grip is maintained and a slight push is required from underneath the shuttle. So that's how you play the block of the body shots. In case if the shots are coming little bit away from your body, then the right foot will be coming forward if you're a right-handed player. So your racket leg would be coming front. So that's the main part of this block shots. So now I'll show you a couple of exercises which you can try with your partner and then improve your block shot skills. Let me just show you some. In the first exercise, I'll be throwing the shuttles just like a smash and she will be blocking it. Kindly watch this. So as you can see, when she is blocking the shuttle, it's coming right up to the net cord level and then dipping immediately. So the blocks are going to land in this area. When that happens, in a match scenario or game scenario, the opponent who has smashed will have to come front and again play a defensive stroke. The second exercise which I'm going to show you would be where I am doing the half smashes and she'll be blocking. Here also you can just watch. So she is trying to cut the speed of the smash that I have played. Again, in this situation also, the shuttle is dipping down immediately and I will have to play a defensive stroke. The third variant is where two of them will be playing one-on-one and the same block of the body would be tried by them. Yeah. So these are the three exercises that you can try and practice with. This will help you improve your block skills. I hope you like this video. Kindly like and share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon button for further notifications. Thank you for tuning in.